Macintosh living, Macintosh living, Macintosh living, Macintosh living.
The first ever Macintosh lifts incorporated Cobalt, the Inteliigi pack. This is the lift pack. The standard edition comes with everything you expect from a Macintosh lift. Efficient speeds, stylish buttons, glass cab, all standard. While the premium edition with sensor calling, premium glass cab, quicker door speed and faster motor speed. Our budget edition comes with a glass cab standard, so you can still afford luxury on a tight budget. Our non-glass budget edition comes with the same cab as our budget edition, but without the glass. If you don't need a glass cab, then this is for you.